Good afternoon. It is April the 10th, 2017. Time to wrap up today's trading with our customary disclaimer. Hypothetical simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Okay, today was a Monday, pretty quiet. We had several markets all trading the same way at the same time, which is unusual. Didn't do a lot of volume today because of the lack of news. So probably getting us ready for summer, right? We came in, we basically wanted to sell 60s to 65s in the E-mini, and we wanted to buy 45s to 50s. So again, you're dealing with the overall assessment of the market, our support and resistance levels that can make you money if you take the trades. And these areas are areas that you really want to pay attention to your setups. The best trading today early came off a 10-minute chart. That one was good for plus 10 if you wrote it out, but it got our expected 7. This trade would have been a winner if you could have ridden it out. This trade good for 2 if you wrote it out. Then the market starts to sell, and we get 3 legs down. The Elliott wave. Get a big leg up right here. Now we're moving sideways. So it's a pretty good day trading through about noon. And then after that, things, well, definitely after 1 o'clock, things have settled down. So pretty good day for the E-mini, all said and done. Wish we could say that every day. That's not usually the case with the E-mini. Looking at today's action, a little higher low, a little higher high. Can buy it off of the screen. Looking at this cut on the market, it's definitely a P. Can buy it. Everything is pointed up. Where do we find ourselves? Selling 60s to 62s and 64s to 66s, just where we were this morning. On the buy side, we did get all the way down to 50 once again, so 50, 52 buy 1, 45, 47 buy 2. No news to speak of tomorrow. Jolts and NFIB Small Business Optimism Index, so nothing will play news-wise tomorrow. Looking at the 10-year note, lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. We have the 10-year auction tomorrow. The 3-year was nothing to brag about. On the weak side, and because of the 3-year auction and because of tomorrow's 10-year and Wednesday's 30-year, we probably aren't going to break the market, so we should have some pretty good buying. 124, 16 to 20, and probably pretty good selling. 125.04 to 08, and we're kind of right in the middle right now. So 31s to 03, sell 1. 7 to 11, sell 2. 21.25, buy 1. And if there's going to be a weak auction, it'll be the 10 years, so we'll favor buying against 20 here, the lower end of the range. 10-year auction is tomorrow. That'll be the biggest news of the day for treasuries. Looking at the 30-year. Okay, first little band of support down here is 16 to 20. So buy 9 to 13. and 1 to 5. 28 to the buck is number 1. Sell 3 to 7. Sell 1. 11 to 15. Sell 2. See a trading range tomorrow. I'd like to sell it in London tonight on the assumption that the E-mini doesn't fall out of bed into its close. Okay, we did pretty well in gold today. It was also very quiet due to the lack of news. So lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. And we have a P from this morning. We're rejecting prices above 58, so sell, maybe stops above today's high, 59s to 61, sell 1. 64, 66, sell 2. 50, 52, buy 1. 45, 47, buy 2. Looking at crude, higher low, higher high, find a place to buy it. Market is moving up. People are arguing if we should have a wartime premium or not. There is no shortage of crude around the globe. Put it all together, we're definitely looking at P's, and we have this 53.20, so I think we're going higher in London. Sell 53 1/4, 53.50, sell 1. 53.75, 54, sell 2. The buy side 52.50, 52.75, buy 1. And buy 2 will be 52, 52 1/4. Crude was really tough to work today, but we did, from the short side, we did get a good trade. From the long side, it was not too hard to work. It just took an hour to 2 hours for trades to develop. So very, very slow trading, and it tells me that we've taken the selling component out of the market unless you can deliver in, so unless you're a producer. So the producers are really happy here, locking in higher prices. But the speculator, I think, is absent from the market. And don't think that war is going to break out. Nobody does, but nobody envisioned the missile attacks on Thursday night. And looking at the euro, it was up today. It's kind of a pause after a big down market on Friday. Got a P. We talked about this area right here. We had a 106.40 to 50 sell. Just touched the bottom end of the range, so we'll keep that. Sell 140 to 50, sell 275. On the buy side, 106 even, 106.10. 105.75, buy 2. And that'll do it for this April the 10th, 2017. I'll see you bright and early in the morning. Y'all have a great evening.